How to log in or sign in into CoinMe account. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to log in or sign in into your CoinMe account. First thing, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link that is www.coinme.com, and it's going to take you to the official site. If you don't have an account, go and press the create account button and begin with the registration. And likewise, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on the sign in button, or you can also scan to download the CoinMe app on your mobile device. When you press the sign in button, it's going to take you to the other field, and then you have to enter in your credential. That could be your email address or username and then the password. As you're done with that procedure, click on the login button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your account successfully. However, for some reason, if you're unable to log in, then you can try rechecking your password or the credential, and that's gonna fix the issue. So that is how you can log in into your CoinMe account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.